What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm telling you a little glitch I've had with my Range Rover Sport and how I fixed it. I've been out in the Cotswolds for a few days because it's half term here in the UK, and took the kids out, got muddy. It's filthy weather, there's been floods everywhere. It's just been mud, rain, wind, storms, best time ever. Anyway, yeah, so I had a little issue when I got back. Basically, I had a warning light come up in the dash that said, warning, vehicle lean when cornering. What the hell's that about? Basically, it's to do with a sensor. If you get mud on it, or if you get any kind of crap and crud on it, it sends the vehicle lean system into meltdown. It's not an issue. You can literally just go and, you know, if it's a faulty sensor, you can get a sensor changed. It's still a few £100 mind to get the sensor done, but more often than not, all you need to do is give your car a good jet wash, because it's got mud and crap all over it, and that's the reason it's sending the sensor into its kind of little meltdown. It done that a while ago when we had loads of snow and ice here, and the roads again were in a filthy condition. Had the exact same thing. Loads of things went wrong with the sensors then. It had the laser guided whatever, I don't think it's laser guided, but yeah, the laser guided cruise control wasn't working. I was getting warning lights in the dash for that. I had the same thing, vehicle lean when cornering, warning come up as well. All of it went away as soon as the ice thawed. All of the massive icicles fell off the car and the temperature raised a little bit. No more issues. I think it was just because all the sensors were frozen up, or they had, you know, ice kind of compacted and built up on them. So if you are getting this vehicle lean when cornering issue, it might not actually be a faulty sensor. It might literally just be the fact that you've taken your car, God forbid, into some mud, you know, a Range Rover in mud, who'd have thought it? And then it's having a hissy fit and it's complaining, and that's the issue. So yeah, if you're getting that initially, just give your car a wash. That's what I've done, and it's fixed it. If it hasn't, then yeah, you might have an issue with a sensor somewhere. It's not the end of the world. It's not that expensive. It's, you know, not that cheap either, but it's not as cheap as giving your car a jet wash. So do that first, and hopefully that'll fix it. If it has, drop a comment and let me know. So that's it, just a short video. If you liked it, if it's helped you, please give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to the channel to learn about any other woes and issues I've got with my Rangey, and thanks very much for watching.